President Pranab Mukherjee on Monday conferred Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. The President gave the awards at a ceremony in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian honour, was conferred to veteran BJP leader L.K. Advani, Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal and renowned Sanskrit author Jagadguru Swami Rambhadracharya. L.K. Advani has been serving the nation with dedication for the past 65 years. A senior BJP leader, he is the longest serving member of the Indian Parliament. His parliamentary career includes 4 terms in Rajya Sabha and 7 terms in Lok Sabha. Prakash Singh Badal is regarded as Grand Patriarch of the Indian political scene. He has been Chief Minister of Punjab for 4 terms previously. His political journey is regarded as a saga of struggle for safeguarding human rights and democratic values in country. He is rightfully called the man of the masses. He is the lifelong Chancellor of Jagadguru Rambhadracharya Handicapped University. Jagadguru is a brilliant writer and an authority on Sanskrit Panini grammar. Himself a visually challenged person, he has shown exemplary missionary zeal and showed the way to many disabled people. The President also conferred Padma Bhushan awards. Dr. Swapan Das Gupta is a media professional and a noted columnist for many publications. He has worked with leading newspapers and specializes in opinion writing. David Frawley is also known by his Sanskrit name as Pandit Vamadeva Shastri. He is regarded as an innovative visionary of Vedic knowledge. Bill Gates and Melinda Gates are philanthropist couple known around the globe for their efforts on global health and education. Bill Gates is also founder of the Microsoft Corporation. Needamangalam Gopalaswamy is a former Chief Election Commissioner of India, noted for his professionalism and adherence to the principles. He has served for more than 8 years in the election field. Saichiro Misumi is known for promoting friendship and mutually beneficial relations between India and Japan. During the visit of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Japan, he actively supported and took care of him. Sudha Raghunathan is a leading Carnatic vocalist, a top-grade artist of the Prasar Bharati. She has toured the globe spreading India's rich musical heritage. Harish Salve is an eminent lawyer and former Solicitor General of India. A successful name in the field of international arbitration, he is also full tenant of Blackstone Chambers. Satpal is a well-known wrestler and has coached many award-winning wrestlers, including Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar. Dr. Ashok Seth is a cardiologist par excellence and has contributed extensively to the field. Rajat Sharma is one of the most popular faces of Indian television. President of News Broadcasters Association of India, he is also Chairman of India TV. Professor Khadak Singh Valdia is a geologist, academician, active environmentalist and author. He is known for his path-breaking studies on Central Himalayas. Padma Shri has been awarded to Sushri Dr. Manjula Angani, Kanyakumari of Saral, Professor Huang Baosheng, Naresh Bedi, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Jean Claude Carriere, Gyan Chaturvedi, Jaya Kumari Chikkala, Ashok Gulati, Randeep Guleria, George L. Hart, Rahul Jain, Prasoon Joshi, Prafulla Kar, Usha Kiran Khan, Alka Kriplani, Harsh Kumar, Purushottam Malaya, Janak Palta, McGillian, Tarak Janubhai Mehta, Shevang, Norfel, Professor Dr. Tejas Madhusudan Patel, Dr. Raghurama Pillari Sethi, Bimla Poddar, Dr. N. Prabhakar, Dr. Prahlad, Dr. Saumitra Rawat, Dr. Annette Schmidt-Chen, Brahmadev Sharma Bhaiji, Pran Kumar Sharma, P.V. Sindhu, Sardar Singh, Arunima Sinha, Professor Dr. Nikhil Tandon. Vice President Hamid Ansari, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, along with other senior cabinet ministers, were also present at the function. With Bureau inputs, Manjeet Thakur and Sudhakar Das report, DD News.